I've printed over 10,000 shirts. In this video, we're going to go over the quality of Teespring. This is a Teespring t-shirt quality review. What's up guys? Tony here. I'm a graphic designer and brand developer. This channel is all about art and design related content, so if that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you're not familiar with Teespring, Teespring is a print-on-demand, custom apparel and home decor platform. But is it quality? That's what we're going to talk about today. This is going to be a very honest, unbiased, no-holds-bars review, so if you want to know the truth, you're going to get it today. In this review of the quality of Teespring's shirts, we'll focus on the Classic T as well as the Premium T. And throughout the review, discuss how the print looks and how it feels actually wearing the shirt. First up, we have the Classic Black T. It's priced at $10.57. It has a minimal white text design on a standard Hanes tee. These are 100% cotton and they range from sizes small to 4XL. This one that I have on right now is actually a large in women's. Don't judge me. It was actually intended to be a gift, but it ran a little bit small, so I threw it in this video. I noticed that the black was a bit faded. You can see the black coming through some of the white text a bit, but for simple designs like this, it's not as noticeable. These ship US and in Europe. So we're not off to an impressive start with the Classic T from Teespring, but I want to compare with the same design, the Premium T. Next we have the Premium Black T. It's priced at $14.33. It has the same minimal design, but this time on a Bella canvas tee. It's 100% cotton and it's sized from small to 3XL. This one I have on is actually unisex and it's a large. Much more comfortable fit here. It's ring spun, the print is brighter, it pops, the shirt itself is more solid, and the black is much deeper. I actually purchased both of these shirts as a gift, and the Classic T looks so bad I didn't feel comfortable gifting it. In this side-by-side comparison, you can see the quality difference. They're both black, but they appear to be two different colors. This is fresh out of the package, but one looks completely worn down and faded. So bear that in mind if you choose to go with the Classic T. If you like what you see already, check out this video to learn how you can get started with Teespring today. Next up, we have the Classic T again, this time priced at $10.57, unisex, size XL. This time it's in blue. This fits pretty stiff. It feels like a basic undershirt. The print also looks a little bit faded. The blue, however, is pretty vibrant. Like it feels like a strong blue, unlike the faded black one previously. It's 100% cotton, but when it comes to the Classic Tees, I'm noticing that the base shirts are flipping around. It just kind of feels like they throw whatever shirt they have available in for these. So I would bear that in mind if you're considering the Classic T as well. Now that we've seen how Teespring looks on bright colors and blacks, let's see what it looks like on whites. This is the Classic White T. It's a two-color design this time on the Hanes Nano. It comes pre-shrunk, and this one is a medium in women's. Again, it fits like a baby shirt. This was a gift. I had to go and buy a unisex because it fits super small. The Hanes Nano is way more comfortable, but the white is more like a cream, which I noticed immediately. One thing I noticed when Teespring prints on a white shirt like this, it seems to lay very evenly. It wasn't bumpy like with the Black T or the blueT from earlier. Those kind of had a texture to the print, but this one, it laid evenly. Okay, so now it's time to compare it to the Premium White T. You already know what it is. It's the same two-color design on Bella canvas. It's unisex and it's medium. The print feels smoother on this one. The shirt is a lot more comfortable. Obviously an upgrade. We're going from basic to premium. The colors appear more accurate. The shirt is actually white, which is, thank you God that the shirt is actually white this time. I don't know why it was off-white with the previous one, but you just seem to be taking that risk with the Classic T. With this one, however, it's accurate to the color that I chose. I don't know that the print itself is vibrant. Something about these type of services when you print your shirt, they just don't have that same vibrance, but against the white, it does appear to be even more vibrant. We're gonna look at the gray. In this example, it's the classic dark heather gray tee. It's the same two-color design, but this time on a Port & Company. It's 50-50 cotton and polyester, and this actually feels super comfortable. It's a medium, and I'll just say it was a gift again, y'all. One thing that I noticed with this shirt in particular, when it's a darker color shirt like this and you're putting color on it, generally you put a white or a gray base under your print, and you can see that print right through the colors here. Not the greatest quality. It looks cheap, it looks faded. If you're gifting this to a family member, sure, but selling this to people, it's just not quality. Next up, we have a premium version of this gray. This time it's not the heather gray style, it's just a solid gray, but we have the same two-color design. This time it's next level, which is a different base. Both shirts pretty faded. You don't see a lot of vibrance here. I did gift this shirt and it wasn't horrible, but by printing standards, not the greatest thing in the world. So I would caution you, if you're going to print on a gray or a dark gray like this, just bear that in mind. Buy a sample, see if you like the quality, and if it's okay with you, then by all means send it out. The quality on the premium gray is not as noticeable. It's a little bit faded, but I think it's still pretty passable. The classic, however, is horrible in my opinion. Doesn't look good, looks faded, you can see the outlines behind it. It just doesn't look like something I would want to give someone. You should see a pretty clear pattern here, and if you want to get started quick in 2 minutes or less, check out this link. I want to share another print design that is amazing quality, as well as my final thoughts, but I want to pass the question on to you. What shirt color would you start with to print your first t-shirt design? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you're getting value from this video, go ahead and give it a like. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I printed shirts manually, about 10,000, and this is one of the ones that we printed. This was actually a water base on a sweatshirt material type of a shirt, so you can see this is very faded. Opposed to this one, a really great representation of a good print is this one right here. Printed this one myself, and the colors are vibrant. They're solid. It's smooth on the surface. You can feel it raised on the surface a little bit, but this is the type of quality that you want to go for. And if you can't get this, know at least what you're getting. I would suggest getting samples of your shirts, making sure that you're able to wear them, put them on, wear them out, wash them, see how they fit. Bear in mind that it's recommended with 100% cotton shirts to turn them inside out when you wash them and then let them hang dry. Also, with the classic tees, if you wash them in cold water, it's the best practice. With the premium tee, however, you can wash in warm water. If you've ever thought about doing all over print on demand, check out this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace!